Call me all the time, that's a perfect timing. She got me shining like a perfect diamond. Call me all the time, that's a perfect timing. She got me shining like a perfect diamond. Call me all the time, that's a perfect timing. She got me shining like a perfect diamond.
All right, everybody. Thank you and welcome back. We are now joining Chefleftovers Mukbang. Today we're doing a bread pizza mukbang. If you're not a part of the Leftover family, I really don't know why. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know that by each and every time we upload a video, and you can be a part of this awesome, great family that we have here. Again, I said we're sliding in with some bread pizza, and I'm going to say grace and get it in. Thank you for the food they're about to receive. There's my healthy body. Grace and bread. Amen. Amen. So today, y'all, we have some things to talk about today. Sometimes, when I eat, I can't really talk, but I'm working on it, y'all. So I was on Snapchat, and I seen this video of this lady inside Walmart. Now I'm going to play this for y'all so y'all can see it as well. We're going to watch this together, and then we're going to talk about it, and then we're going to eat. All right? So apparently, here's a little gist of what happened. She's upset because they asked her to put on a mask. In Dallas, Texas, y'all. So, check this video out, okay?
No, I don't give a fuck about Dallas. These dumbass motherfuckers and dumbass motherfuckers. Una güera que le están diciendo que se ponga el tapabocas y está tirando fuego. I don't give a fuck. I gotta fucking todos como aventando. Empieza.
Call the police. Call the...
Now, you think in this time, in this day and age, that she take the virus seriously. The virus has killed thousands and thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people worldwide, and millions have it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, I got some broccoli slaw here that I made. Both these recipes are on my channel. Go check them out. They're really good. But anyway, y'all. So she's upset because they're asking her to put on a mask while she's in the store. This lady's throwing everything out her car. Ain't she nuts? Y'all. Coronavirus is not for play, y'all. It's serious out there. And most people's excuse is that, oh, I'm healthy, I don't care if I get the coronavirus, I'm not going to die from it, blah, blah, blah. That doesn't matter because you're getting it and you're transferring to elderly people, people who have compromised immune systems. So if you don't care about yourself or care about if you live or die from it, care about at least people who are around you. I was thinking, we all thought, that is just nuts. Why just throw food out of your car because they actually put on a mask? Y'all, the pizza though? This is really good. I'm gonna do a thumbnail. Oh, hell yeah, I'm gonna do a thumbnail right quick. But I'm not playing with that coronavirus. Now, I'm not gonna walk the store with no mask on. You know, well, I did do that one time by accident. I ran to this store, it's a butcher store, and they're all Spanish in there. They're really nice people. Great food, everything. Anyway, walking to the store, I went back to the counter. I'm such a hurry. I didn't like realize everybody had a mask until me. Since I got back there, I was like, I thought they were saying something about me having a mask on, but nobody approached me directly, so I ran outside the car with a mask. I'm probably really all laughing, but New York just started this stuff a few weeks back, but here in Florida, we started doing this when we first had the pandemic hit. We started wearing these masks. And everybody got relaxed and chilled and child, now they think coronavirus don't exist and they stop wearing their mask and everything else. I'm good. That mom always says, still got her 19-year ass over here. She still got her 19-year-old ass over here. Yeah. Still be 19? But yo, tell me your opinions on wearing a mask and your opinions on coronavirus down below in the comment section. In my next mukbang, I may, bring your comment up and talk about it. These are really easy to fix. They're really easy. They're fun for kids. Hell, even a kid can do it. All you need is some sandwich bread and beef toppings, y'all. And I mean to tell y'all, this is better than stuff you get at Lunchables for the kids. Way better. If you know my new studio set, y'all, it's really nice. It's cute. This pizza, y'all. I was in there fixing my video, and somebody asked me, "What you cooking in there?" I think because it smelled really good. I think that's why they asked. They probably asked me to fix them something too later. That was easy. I'm going to keep up with that about. So what's up? I'm going to cut it up for some spice. Yeah, this is really good, y'all. Really good. Y'all know I can't eat all at the same time. I be trying, but I gotta learn that. This is not my forte. It's so good. And the slaughter, it goes perfect with this dish. It's healthy. Balances everything out here, Of course, I got my Arizona tea that I put in the freezer and made to a slushy, y'all. Oh, she's so cold, but she good though. If I would have known about this a long time ago when I was a kid, boy, we would have never had sandwich bread. Never. Wonderful idea. But y'all, I'm going to tell you a trick. So in the video, I didn't actually put it in the oven first, the bread itself, and it stuck. So what I tell y'all to do is put it in the oven for free. Put any toppings on it, put it in the oven, toast it to where it's not hard, but it's nice and solid and got that slight wherever I need. And then top it. Leave it like, look at the crust. Look at that. Look at that. I'm telling y'all. Good slaw too, y'all. Broccoli slaw. I gotta ask, how y'all doing? Anything crazy happening in y'all's place, in y'all's state or city? Oh, I forgot to let y'all know. This is a big, you're talking like, what? You forgot to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell. If you hit it, that's all. Look, very good and very filling, y'all. Very filling. And again, I just want to tell everybody, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for also hitting that notification bell. Just if you forgot, there it is right there. Hit it again. And as always, thank you for being a part of the Leftover family. And again, I'm sliding on out of here, y'all. Peace.
Till you try it, celebrate it till you die, make a profit. They say don't knock it, till you try it, celebrate it till you die, make a profit. They say don't knock it, till you try it, celebrate it till you die, make a profit. They say don't knock it, till you try